Alrighty, guys. So we have talked about what a typical week of school will look like. Now we are going to talk about what the first week of school will look like. The first week is always a little bit different because we are getting to know our routines and we're getting to know each other. So it's going to look just a bit different than the rest of the weeks. So the first thing that is different is we do not have school on Monday because it is Labor Day. So there will be no assignments, no activities on Monday. But then on Tuesday, September 8th, we will begin. And the first thing the students will do is log into Google Classroom and complete their morning check-in. This is the same morning check-in that I showed you on the last video for morning routine. Students will click on that and answer some questions. Then for math, students will view video lesson on Google Classroom and work on their slide for our class book. That video lesson will actually show them how to complete their slide on the class book. And then Dreambox practice for at least 15 minutes. Our goal this week is to make sure all students can get logged into Dreambox and all students have passwords correct and all students know how to work with the program. So we're going to work out any kinks this week. So that's why we have at least 15 minutes of Dreambox practice. Reading, they will check the reading assignment on Google Classroom. This week's reading assignments will be read alouds. So students will have to listen to those read alouds. And then we will have Lexia practice for at least 15 minutes. Again, the goal is to make sure everybody can get logged in and get working on Lexia. Next, students will have a lunch break. We do not have specials this week because specials do not start until September 14th. So my suggestion is that you take the time after lunch to take a break, maybe go outside, do something fun and exciting that you like to do during that break time. On Tuesday, we are not having small groups, so we will have a Google Meet live at 1 o'clock that day. On Thursday, we will not because groups do start on Thursday, so I will be working with groups on Thursday. Wednesday and Monday, typically we always have Google Meets. We just do not have one on Monday this week because of Labor Day. So that's a little bit different that we'll be having that Google Meet on Tuesday, but I wanted to make sure that I got to have some live time with you guys on the first day of school. And then office hours are 2 to 3 every afternoon. I am available on Google Meet at that time to answer any questions. You can also send me a Class Dojo message anytime during the day or an email if you need to get a hold of me. So that is our day on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Remember, small groups do start on Thursday. So I will be seeing some students in person on Thursday. Friday, we have first thing we log into Google Classroom and then Ketchup and Pickles. Students who are Ketchups will complete any missing work and Pickles will get to pick an activity. We'll have lunch and then Flipgrid Friday reflection. So that is our first week of school.